Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Kane's Auto Sales in Manchester, New Hampshire, we have their 2014 Audi RS7. This is the Prestige, of course, and yes, I have reviewed this before, but I wasn't very happy with the loop that I did. It wasn't a very good loop. It didn't really show off the car at all, so I wanted to re-review it on this new loop. Very, very familiar, as viewers of the channel will know, to really get a good feel of the RS7. This thing. Now, today, I've driven the A7, the S7, and now the RS7. So, coming from the S7, the A7, they're both phenomenal cars. The A7 was tuned, the S7 was a 2014 as well. The RS7's a completely different car. Completely different car. Completely different customer. It's a whole different beast. That's why I love it. The S7's fast, don't get me wrong. It drives great, don't get me wrong. I love the A7 and S7. But there's something very special about this RS7. It's just overall a whole different animal. Whole different animal. The fact you could do that, that wasn't full throttle, by the way. The fact you can do that on command, crazy. When I say this rockets itself out of situations, I mean it. It's every situation I can think of, this car gets itself out of it. It's impressive. It's really impressive. Go into manual mode. Boy. I might have to buy one of these. And then the best part is, if you want to be reserved, you can. It's a very, very comfortable cruiser. But if you want to sit there and make noise, you will be heard. Oh man, will you be heard. Alright, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.